Now when Ibrahim Islam was leaving, he says in Surah Ibrahim 40, he prays to Allah in Surah Ibrahim 14:37, رَبَّنَا إِنِّي أَسْكَنْتُ مِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِي بِوَادٍ غَيْرِ ذِي زَرْعٍ عِنْدَ بَيْتِكَ الْمُحَرَّمِ رَبَّنَا لِيُقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ فَاجْعَلْ أَفْئِدَةً مِنَ النَّاسِ تَهْوِي إِلَيْهِمْ وَارْزُقْهُم مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَشْكُرُونَ. O our Lord, surely I have settled from my offsprings within the valley. Other than that, it is without cultivation near your sacred forbidden house. O our Lord, so that they may establish the salah, then make the hearts of the people desirable towards them, and give them sustenance from the fruits, so they may be thankful. Now in this ayah, Ibrahim al-Islam is praying to Allah that I am settling from my offsprings in a valley without cultivation. That valley again is Safa Marwa. It says, Biwadin Ghairi Dizar in the Baitik al-Muharram, near the house. Because the location of the house is near the valley of Safa Marwa. So he says, I am settling down from my offsprings, is plural. Now they say Zuriyati is people, Ibrahim al-Islam and then Hajra, and this story comes here. Don't bring stories in the ayahs. The moment you bring the story, Zuriyati is plural. How his wife fit in? They say Hajra was and Ismail one. The Sigha in Arabic is two. It's in plural. Zuriyati means plural. So he's settling down his offsprings or the descendants. I've settled from my offspring or descendants within the valley, near the valley, within the valley. Other than that is without cultivation. That is between Safa Marwa valley, that is valley. And he says, near the house. O our Lord, that they establish the prayer. So you can see today the prayer is being established before also, and now it is also established. But the concept of the house purification is not there. But the establishment of salah, prayer and tawaf is there now. Going around the Kaaba is there. So he says, O Allah, so they establish the prayer, then make the hearts of the people desirable towards them. Towards who? Who are establishing prayer and that concept. Who are having on the right concept of the house. So make other mankind desirable towards them. And give those people sustenance from the fruits so they may be thankful. So the other people who are not following the Kaaba, following the Kaaba means who do not have the right concept of the Kaaba, or people who do not know about the house of God, Allah is asking, Ibrahim al-Islam is praying that make the hearts desirable towards them who knows this. So they must have some inclination towards them. So they desire that they also go to Kaaba, visit the house, that they go around there and they see this. So I have noticed that non-Muslim people are forcing the Muslim people that you should open the gates for us. And we want to see Kaaba there. Why are you stopping us? Why don't you let everybody go to Kaaba at Mecca? Mecca and Medina are two cities which are holy. No non-Muslim can enter in that cities. So if you don't believe in this, why are you with that desire? So you can see the world has desire and they are making full pressure to the Saudi government to open the gates that all mankind should go and visit Mecca and Medina. You cannot go there because there is ayat in the Quran which Allah said, do not let them, the mushrik or the associate in Surah Tawbah, do not let them come near the sacred mosque after this year. So it is stopped. It has made as a holy city, Mecca. So that's what I'm saying. So, but people have desire. So Allah is asking, Ibrahim is asking that make the people desire for them, for these people who know.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.